I always advise the client to find out why she has fine, thin hair. It could be related to aging, it could be related to genetic, or it could be related to damages at the salon. This is where I recommend AstroLift reparative volume spray. What I love about it the most that it's a very lightweight. It dries quickly and it gives that beautiful volume without feeling of any stickiness. And you can get 2.5 times more all-over volume with AstroLift. It's very easy to use for pro stylists at the salon. Before you spray it, you shake it very well and you keep it away from the hair 4 to 6 inches. I spray it on the roots all the way down to the whole length because I want the volume to be distributed. I don't want just volume on your roots and your ends are gonna be flat. Yani, we finished blow drying your hair. I wanna show you how we can use it on dry hair. Again, we shake the bottle very well and I wanna aim it on your crown area. And you just move it a little bit. You're not gonna feel any product on your hair. Look how gorgeous it looks and so healthy.
I think I did not expect it to go that much up in volume. So I'm very happy with the results.
Amazing. So as you see, this product is like so weightless. It's like you're wearing nothing, but it's giving you exactly the amount of volume you need.
It's so light. It's unbelievably light.
I'm in love with it. It's insane.
You look gorgeous.